Before you buy even $1 of crypto, hear this. Most beginners don't lose money because of a bad coin. They lose money because they never had a plan. They chase hype, buy at the top, panic when prices drop, and repeat the cycle until their portfolio is empty. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven path that smart investors are using right now, even in this unpredictable market, to build long-term wealth in crypto? In this video, I'm going to give you a beginner's action plan that could save you months of confusion, thousands of dollars in mistakes, and years of regret. And the best part? You won't need to trade, time the market, or spend hours glued to price charts. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by crypto, confused about where to start, or scared of making the wrong move, you're in the right place. This video was made specifically for beginners like you who want to get into crypto, but want to do it the smart way, without losing sleep, getting scammed, or gambling on meme coins. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need thousands of dollars. And you don't need to follow 50 influencers saying 50 different things. What you do need is a clear, step-by-step game plan designed for real people. People who want to build wealth with crypto without risking it all. That's exactly what you're going to get today. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a complete beginner's action plan. No fluff, no hype, just what works. You're going to discover 3 powerful insights that most new investors never hear until it's too late. Secret number 1. Why 90% of beginners lose money in crypto, and how to avoid the traps that kill most portfolios before they even start. Secret number 2. The safest, smartest path to begin your crypto journey, even if you've never bought a coin in your life. Secret number 3. The exact tools and simple steps you can follow to build a beginner-friendly crypto portfolio without needing to trade or time the market. Whether you've been burned before or this is your first step into crypto, this plan could change everything for you. Here's the harsh truth. Most beginners don't fail because crypto is too risky. They fail because they follow zero strategy. They get hyped by social media, buy whatever coin is trending, and panic sell the moment the price dips. It's emotional investing, and it's the fastest way to lose your money. Think of it like skydiving without a parachute. The thrill might be exciting until reality hits. And by the time it does, your savings are gone. But here's the good news. Avoiding this beginner trap isn't hard, if you follow a plan. Let me show you what that looks like. Coming up next is a method so simple, so effective that even complete beginners have used it to safely enter the crypto market, without trying to time the highs or lows. If you're new to crypto, here's the best advice you'll ever get. You don't need to be early, you need to be consistent. Instead of guessing when to buy or chasing the next big thing, smart beginners follow a method called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. It's simple. You invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule, like $50 every week no matter what the price is. This removes emotion, protects you from market volatility, and builds your position steadily over time. Now combine that with starting only with proven assets, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a small amount in stablecoins, and suddenly, you're not gambling anymore. You're investing like a pro. Want proof? The majority of long-term crypto millionaires didn't get lucky buying low. They bought consistently, stayed calm, and held through the chaos. You don't need luck. You need a plan. And the next section gives you every tool to build one. Let's break this down into a simple, beginner-friendly action plan. You don't need to be technical. You just need to follow these steps. Pick a beginner-friendly exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Set up your account, verify your identity, and connect your bank. This takes about 10 minutes. Choose 2 or 3 solid cryptos to start with. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a stablecoin like USDC. Keep it simple. Avoid hype coins, trending tokens, or anything you don't understand. Set up automatic recurring buys. This is where dollar cost averaging comes in. For example, $25 per week into Bitcoin. You won't even notice it, but over time, it adds up. Get a crypto wallet to secure your assets. For beginners, a reputable mobile wallet works fine. Later you can upgrade to a hardware wallet for even more protection. Track your portfolio with a free app like CoinStats or Blockfolio, but only check it once a week. Watching the price every day just leads to panic. This process removes guesswork and builds discipline. And if you want help putting this all together step by step, I've linked a free beginner training below that walks you through everything in detail. Coming up next, let's talk about the smarter way to move forward without guessing, risking, or starting from scratch. Now that you've seen the beginner action plan, you've got 2 choices. You can go it alone. spend months trying to figure out which coins to buy, how to time the market, and hope you don't get wrecked in the process. Or, you can shortcut the learning curve. You can follow a proven roadmap created by people who've already done this, avoided the major mistakes, and built real crypto wealth without trading, guessing, or gambling. So ask yourself, would you rather learn this through trial and error, or get step-by-step guidance from someone who's already been there? If you want to build your first crypto portfolio the smart way, check out the free training I've linked in the description. It's packed with the exact strategies beginners are using right now to get started safely. And it could change the way you approach crypto forever. Let's recap what you've just learned. You now know why most beginners fail, and how to avoid the emotional traps that destroy portfolios. You've seen a simple, low-stress path to start investing in crypto, even if you're starting from scratch. And you've got the exact steps and tools to build your first portfolio the smart way. This isn't about luck, it's about having a plan. And now, you have one. So if you're serious about starting your crypto journey the right way, don't wait. Click the link in the description, watch the free training, and take your first step with confidence. Because a year from now you'll look back on this moment, and you'll be glad you started today.